Welcome to my channel. Okay, I know I'm looking kind of crazy with this weird chunky twist right here. I just took down my protective style. I had it in for 8 days and I'm already back in a protective style. But I had just washed my hair, 2 days ago? A day ago or so? Something like that. And it's not thoroughly moisturized. So I thought I'd moisturize on camera and in the same breath review a new product that I've been totally loving. Doing is this Creme Nature Pure Honey Not Away Leave-In Detangler. I have yet to use the leave-in. It's not 100%. It's not 100% natural for that factor. So if you're like 100% type of natural, then I would say I don't know if this would be something to pick up. But I like it. This is the consistency of the Detangler. It's very thick and creamy, but mostly on the thick side. See, it's not really falling from my hands. So I'm gonna take this portion, hit my ends, hit in between on the scalp and the shaft of the hair. Now this detangler works pretty well. I've been using it a couple times already, as you can see. I bought this like a month ago or so ago, 6 weeks ago, something like that. I don't go shopping for too many products, but I knew I wanted to try out some new products before my birthday that came in, and my birthday just passed, and I picked up a lot of stuff, so I can't really recall when I picked stuff up, but it had to be just about a month. So all I'm doing is sealing with my Shea Butter Mix. You see some of my curl pattern coming through. It feels good. So I'm going to moisturize the rest of my hair, but I'm leaving it in the twist. See, I just finished taking out all of my twist, so you know, it's just finished. So one thing I could say I'm not mad at, even though this is a thick product, is the packaging. The packaging is okay. When I looked at it at first, I was like, who is that? And then, oh, it was like Creme Nature. And I was kind of shocked because, I don't know, it didn't look like a Creme Nature product at first. At first, when you look at it, you think it's somebody else's. And then you're like, oh, that's Creme Nature. It's some goldish looking thing. So I put the detangler on this. Now I can't say I like using silicones. I know someone's gonna ask me, and if you have further questions about what I like to use on my hair or what products I stand by and totally love, comment below and we can discuss it. But I don't usually use products that aren't that natural in my hair. So Oh, that feels good. So yeah, it's just one of those things. And while I'm doing the rest of the hair, I'm just gonna twist, make a big twist out of this. But this feels good. Like I use Ozzy's products. I love the conditioner. I love the deep conditioner, the 3-minute deep conditioner, because that does so great for my hair personally, even though it's not 100% natural. So there are some things I can definitely say that I appreciate. There's certain products I can say I could appreciate. I am liking this particular one. I have not used the rest of the line. Every product, I noticed every product line be like, oh, this is so moisturizing, this is this and that and third. I don't have no time if it's not. See, it's moisturized, very moisturized. I don't have no time. If it isn't moisturized, it is a great detangler, even though it's not put my hair back in pony. Even though it's not 100% natural. But either way, it's pretty good. I would I just broke the bow.
Okay, I'm back. Just gonna put my hair in a ponytail with a actual ponytail holder that's thicker. That was just crazy. That was just crazy.
Yeah, that's how I feel about this product. I will see if I pick up other things from the line. See, look at the twist. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. That's how I feel with the product. I like it.